Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Ma'am Fitri and friends all. Previously introduced my name, Medina Dushafika, with NIM 055. On this occasion, I will give you a little material about secretary and management of office administration in the digital age. Here are the topics we will discuss in this presentation. First, the role of secretaries in the digital age, the knowledge and insight that a secretary should know, administrative management in the digital age, the importance of using office administration application, benefits of office administration application in mail filling, and office administration application solution in the digital age. First topic about the role of secretaries in the digital age. The role of the secretary as an important part of a company. Like to a machine, the secretary is an important component whose existence and performance affect to overall performance of the engine. Although currently technological developments are growing and office tools are developing increasingly sophisticated that can replace the function of the secretary in the future, but the touch of the skilled hand and the intelligent mind of a secretary is still needed and will not be replaced at any time. Along with the current digital development, the secretary is required to be more sensitive and proactive to any information obtained and is expected to provide input or feedback from the information. The current secretary not only works in office hours, but the leadership usually still needs its secretary outside office hours. So the secretary must remain active and dynamic in carrying out his duties. By utilizing technology, the secretaries must also be able to multitask tasks based on technology. For example, being able to operate applications on smartphones such as to-do list or reminder that can be used as a reminder to the schedule that will be done by their superiors. Here is a profile of the secretary whose services are still needed from time to time. Firstly, insightful. By following development on broad insight, the secretary can help his superiors in meeting what is the needs of his superiors. Second, have high credibility and loyalty. A secretary must be able to maintain the confidentiality of everything related to his company and be able to enjoy every task. Service, customer service. One of the obligations of a secretary is to be able to provide good service. The intended service includes service for the superiors or service for guests or outside the company. And capable in communication. It is very important for the secretary to be capable in communicating and better able to position themselves in communicating, how to communicate with superiors, relation, and company employees. The next topic is about the knowledge and insight that a secretary should know. The knowledge and insight that a secretary should know are as follows. One, knowledge of the business field in which we work. knowledge of products from the company. 3. Knowledge of leadership business associates and knowledge of competitors of the company. Being a secretary must certainly continue to learn to follow digital development and update their abilities. With the issue of digital development that may have an impact on a job by always adjusting to the development of increasingly sophisticated technology, the secretary will still exist in his profession without being replaced by technology. Next, topic 3 about administrative management in the digital age. Today, almost all business communication utilize information technology. Gap-tech constraints cannot be a reason to avoid the use of technology. Office administration is part of the management of others in the office or company. In the digital era, all aspects must change with developments. Technological advances that are not in code with the development of supporting aspects make affairs in some aspects become hampered. The development of supporting aspects make it easy for humans to do many things and save energy and costs. Technology in the digital era continues to development and continue to advance. In the face of technological advance, humans must also keep up with the developments and be able to adapt well. The development of existing technology must be accompanied by existing science in order to produce technology that is useful for all aspects and fields. Next topic, number 4, is the importance of using office administration application. The knowledge and insights that a secretary should know are as follows. In this digital era, everything is done through the internet, making technological developments more advanced and sophisticated. All fields use the sophistication of technology in helping work, including in the use of the internet, is also a big influence in human life. The use of advanced technology is also applied in companies and government and private agencies. The technology use applies the existing principle to office and agency so that the technology applied is able to overcome and handling of incoming and outgoing letters. Thus, the application of technology in the field and enterprise is carried out with the use of office administration application. This application makes administrative affairs easier and ease the work. The importance of office administration affairs is done to make the Secretary of Administrative Staff easy to take care of filling letters. The use of correspondence application must be used because it has great benefits and has a great effects on the company. In office administration application make digital letters easy to handle and work with, thus reducing the potential loss of letters and the potential for damage and unrecorded letters. Next, topic number 5, benefits of office administration application in mail filling. First, incoming mail handlers are easier and more effective. Next, make incoming and outgoing letters more organized and easier to categorize the types of letters. 3. Assisting with the work of companies, admin staff, or receptionists. And by using digital mail, it will be easier to organize and categorize so as to facilitate the correlation between incoming and outgoing mail. And the last topic of the 6 about office administration application solution in the digital age. The application of technological sophistication in the digital era make it easy in all affairs and from various aspects. One that we can apply in the use of office filling application. Therefore, the use CPAS can be a solution that can be used for the needs of mail archive in order to be optimal. CPAS, Sistem Informasi Pengelolaan Arsip Surat, is a mail archive management system that can be applied in various office in companies to help facilitate receptionists in recording letters. Next, the advantage of CPAS include: 1. CPAS application can be used and accessed by mobile or application. 2. CPAS application has features that can be tailored to the need of the company. 3. Office requires application that make it easy to record mail. 4. That data reports and data storage are carried out centrally. 5. Mail expedition is done automatically and monitoring of the request on the application. Here are the references I use in composing this presentation. And thus the presentation that I can convey about the secretary and management administration in the digital age. If there is more or less, please forgive. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.